Hello students and hello everyone. Welcome back to English grammar lesson on my YouTube channel. Today I am going to teach you the topic interjections and its kinds. Interjections are words that you can use to express a strong sense of emotion or feeling. Mostly interjections are used in exclamatory sentence with an exclamation mark which express sudden feeling of emotions like joy, sorrow, fear, anger and surprise. Here are few interjections words and its meanings. Please read interjections words and its meanings in a few seconds. Kinds of interjections. There are mainly 6 kinds of interjections. Now we are going to study 8 kinds of interjections. Interjection words are single words and it is used starting word in a sentence. Kinds of interjections are interjections for greetings, interjections for happiness, interjections for sorrow, interjections for anger, interjections for approval, interjections for surprise, interjections for attention, and interjections for shock. Interjection word hello is used for greetings. If there is joy and happiness, we have to use interjection word hurrah. If there is sadness, we have to use interjection word alas. If there is any feeling of anger, we have to use interjection word what. Interjection word great is used for approval. Interjection word wow is used for surprise. If someone has to pay attention, we have to use them interjection word listen. If there is any shock and surprise, we have to use interjection word what. There are more interjection words to use all these 8 kinds of sentences. Here it is given one example of interjection word in each 8 sentences. Other interjection word of anger to use is her. Other interjection word of joy and happiness is yap. When you get any hurt, we have to use interjection word ouch. Other interjection word of fear and surprise is eek. Now we will do an exercise. Dash, we have won the match. Correct answer is Ura, we have won the match. Next, dash, I hear someone coming. Correct answer is whoosh, I hear someone coming. Next, dash, what a wicked lie. Answer is oh, what a wicked lie. Next, dash, where are you going now? Answer is hello, where are you going now? There are other exercises of interjections to read for homework. If you understood interjections, give us the feedback or comments. Subscribe the channel, like and share. Thank you.